didn't change it. There we go. Hi.
Hi.
This is live, you know that, right? See?
Cheers. We're at the car
You're
wash.
fine. You're right, we're just taking videos.
Sheila's getting a bath.
Yeah, we're at the car wash. And apparently she named her car.
Sheila.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Anyhow. So what's going on for the day, do you know?
It's pretty gloomy out. The weather's pretty weird out here in California, if you guys are from out here. He likes the rain, I like the sun. But, so he's winning at the moment.
Anyways. So yeah, we're just kind of chilling, waiting for her car to get done. Not really, I don't know. Not doing much. Probably eat after this. Then I gotta go to the market and get my dog some food. And stuff like that. So, you know, just general errands. I'm actually posting a vlog up today, like in a couple of minutes. Once I get back, I got out of the thumbnail because I haven't been able to vlog lately because I've been working 16, 18-hour shifts as of late, 6 days a week.
It's crazy.
Yeah, I know, right? So, yeah, so I'm going to put a small 2-minute vlog up really quick.
Isn't that illegal for you to work that long?
No. Anyways, so yeah, I know it's mad, it's crazy, but it's. Hey, when you work in the video game industry, that's basically normal during this time of the year, especially right before the holiday season hits. So we gotta get stuff out there. We just got Guitar Hero done, so we're trying to get that going. Well, it's already out there, and so far I'm actually quite surprised how well it's working. So I'm actually quite happy with that, But yeah, now I got one more game coming out. Unfortunately, I can't really say anything about it until then. Maybe about 2 days prior, but you'll see.
What's the point of even saying anything if it's a secret?
Well, shut up. Shut up. Anyhow, she knows. So yeah, I guess I'm going to end it right here, guys. But if you guys want to keep up with us, geez, what's your YouTube again?
Jessica Caprice Tovar.
There you go. And of course, mine is Recon R3C0N54. So, once again, thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys later.
Yay!
Peace.
Happy Sunday.
I'm the one who should have lost days already, not you. Alright guys, bye.
Bye.